आमचे आर्ग्युमेंट कन्क्लूड जाले आता सौरभ लुथराचे. आम्ही आर्ग्यू केला की ही इज नॉट गिल्टी ऑफ 105 आणि इवन 106 विच दे हॅव नॉट इवन इनवोक. So at the highest 125 for which punishment is of 3 years, 3 months and it is a bailable offence.
तो सकाळी गौरवाचे असले काही की नाही.
Same arguments were advanced आणि आता देन APP will argue on 22nd October.
तर इम्पॉर्टंट आर्ग्युमेंट किती असले तुमच्या कोर्टान?
तांच्यांनी आता सेक्शन 105 लायला विच इज अ सेक्शन वेअर द punishment is of imprisonment or at least minimum 7 years or 10 years under part 2. Our case is that is not affected at all because there is no intention, there is no culpable homicide is what we have argued under old IPC 299C. There is no case of culpable homicide, and if there is no culpable homicide then 105 does not come into play.
तुम्ही साहेब व्हिडिओ सुद्धा कोर्टान हे केल्ले
दाखोवपाक की इट्स नॉट व्हेरी क्लियर म्हणून आणि जर लागल्याच विथ युजेज ऑफ कोल्ड पायरो then that person who has done it should be arrested first. If she will not be arrested, then we will be arrested. So if she is out, then we should also be out. आणि ताकाच लागून लागला काय भायल्यान लागला तें कळना तें बिकॉज आफ्टर कोल्ड पायरो इट डीड नॉट इमिडिएटली कॅच फायर. इट कुड बी अ केस ऑफ sabotage, it could be a case of accident. This is for the investigators to investigate. But in any case, assuming that everything is held against us, that we did not have license, we did not have approvals, then we have cited the Upar judgment, which was in a much worse situation where the court has held that 304A will apply and not 304 Part 2. So Amchi case is on a much better footing. There a lot of deaths had happened, much more than this, and they had got trapped in the cinema hall. The exits were blocked, deviations were there, seats were blocked, seats were constructed. So in that situation, the court has held that only 304A will apply. Then we have also cited Bhopal gas tragedy where almost 3,200 deaths took place. There also the court has said 304A will apply, not 304 Part 2.
तो एक फॉर्जरीचो एक पॉईंट तुम्ही हे केल्लो.
हय, फॉर्जरी म्हणजे आता ताजें फक्त आमी डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलां म्हणून जे डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दॅट हाऊस नंबर इज देअर फ्रॉम लास्ट since 2005 in the electricity department. Electrification is there. Panchayat has given trade license in 2017, and even in the tourism department before my client executed the instrument of license, it was there. So we have stated that it has always been there, and if it was missing we have just supplied those details. There is no dishonest or fraudulent intention, and it was not done without any lawful authority, which are the prerequisites to attract the offence of forgery, because creation of false document is important, which is not the case here.
सो तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम म्हटलें की वेळ दिवची गोंयांत रावपाक वेळ हे आसता म्हणून.
हय, तांकां जर दिसता तो म्हणटा वी डोंट हॅव रूट्स इन गोवा, सो वी हॅव सेड वी विल स्टे पुट इन गोवा इफ यू वॉन्ट टू इंटरोगेट अस फर्दर. दे हॅव नॉट मेड एनी अटेम्प्ट्स टू इंटरोगेट अस वेन वी वर इन GC आफ्टर PC, आणि ऑल कंडिशन्स कॅन बी पुट म्हणून वॉट एवर कंडिशन्स आर पुट वी विल कंप्लाय.
तो फुडली डेट कितें आसा? फुडली डेट
22 आफ्टरनून फॉर आर्ग्युमेंट्स ऑफ APP.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.